Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for tomorrow. One covering parts of Louisiana and South Central and Southwest Mississippi, and the second slight tomorrow covers southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. Cities in tomorrow's slights include New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Metairie, Louisiana, Gulfport, Mississippi, and Leonard, Louisiana. And there are three marginals for tomorrow. One that covers southeastern Oregon, northeastern Nevada, southern Idaho, northern Utah, much of Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Texas, the western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, western Kansas, most of Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, southeastern Montana, most of South Dakota, most of North Dakota, and western Minnesota. A second margin which tomorrow covers parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, southern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. And the third margin which tomorrow covers northwestern Maine. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, and Mobile, Alabama. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow covering southeastern North Carolina. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Wilmington, North Carolina, Jacksonville, North Carolina, New Bern, North Carolina, Havelock, North Carolina, and Piney Green, North Carolina. So within this area, there could be a brief EF0, maybe EF1 tornado in there. So, yeah. Going to tomorrow's wind threat now. There are two areas where we have 15% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One that covers southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. A second 15% wind risk tomorrow covers parts of Louisiana and southwestern and south central Mississippi. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Metairie, Louisiana, Gulfport, Mississippi, and Kenner, Alabama, Louisiana. And there are three areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering southeastern Oregon, northeastern Nevada, southern Idaho, northern Utah, most of Wyoming, most of Colorado, northeastern Mexico, northwestern Texas, the western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, western Kansas, parts of Nebraska, most of South Dakota, southeastern Montana, most of North Dakota, and western Minnesota. A second 5% tomorrow covers parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, southern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. And the third 5% tomorrow covers northwestern Maine. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Jacksonville, Florida, Denver, Colorado, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, and Mobile, Alabama. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Wind Intensity Index. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. The black dashed area tomorrow includes Salt Lake City, Utah, Fort Collins, Colorado, West Valley City, Utah, Fargo, North Dakota, and Greeley, Colorado. And now for tomorrow's hail threat, there are two areas where we have 5% hail risk areas for tomorrow. One covering northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, much of South Dakota, much of North Dakota, and western Minnesota. Really? And the second 5% tomorrow covers southeastern North Carolina. The 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Wilmington, North Carolina, Fargo, North Dakota, Jacksonville, North Carolina, Bismarck, North Dakota, and Grand Forks, North Dakota. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow, alright? Black dash is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to maybe an inch and a half in diameter hail, alright? States in the black dashed area tomorrow include Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, and North Platte, Nebraska. So, in summary, thunderstorms producing scattered severe gusts appear likely across the central high plains and lower Mississippi Valley tomorrow, aka Monday. Isolated severe thunderstorms posing mainly a damaging and severe gust or sparse hail threat may also occur across parts of the northern Great Basin into the southern high plains, the Gulf to Carolina coastline, and Maine. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what slight and marginal can pull off. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's day 1 severe weather outlook video. Take care.